In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a coupon code for Hot Topic. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, we need to open up a web browser and then go to Google. Now in the Google search bar, type in coupon codes for Hot Topic and then hit enter. Then we'll be taken to Google search results, and from here we've got a few large third-party sites offering different promo codes, coupon codes. We've got Coupon Follow, realtimenotcoupons.com. We can check out any one of them to get different coupon codes, but one I like to go to is couponfollow.com. So once I'm here, it's going to give me a few different coupon codes that I can check out. So we've got 10% off using this code, you get 42% off this order. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so they might look different depending when you watching this video, and they do expire as well. So if one code's expired, just simply move on to the next one. So in order to activate any one of these codes, I'm going to click on the get 42% off your order by clicking on show coupon code. So here's the coupon code. So I want to copy this code and paste this at the checkout section of Hot Topic to enjoy 42% off my order.